got these ZenToes a while ago from the company to try out. I really do like them. I don't wear them all the time, but I do like to use them because I wear flip-flops a lot of the time. I live in a hot climate, and so my feet are in flip-flops a lot. They're an orthotic flip-flop now, but they're in flip-flops still. So I'm going to show you how to use them. There they are. They're really soft. They have this kind of gel moisture inside, but I just put them on. I do like that my toes are out because it is hot. And then I can just sit and kind of have a little bit of spa time in the house while I'm watching TV. Just sit and moisturize my feet in the evening. I can do it while I'm working on videos or something. They are really comfortable. They're not too tight. This really is a nice plush texture. And because I'm not supposed to go barefoot, I can actually get my slippers on with these. So that is an advantage to me. I can wear my slippers with these. They are super soft. I really do like them. I would buy them in the future. Check them out for yourself.